Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook the tomato seafood soup in Heartopia. So in this Call of Whales event, the new event in Heartopia, you can cook many special food, and one of them is this tomato seafood soup. And to cook this food is very easy. First, you just need to go to your Tidal Stove. You must have this special stove. You can just craft it first. And if you don't know how to craft it yet, you can just check my tutorials in Heartopia playlist. And then after that, just tap on your stove, and then in here just choose your tomato seafood soup. You can get this recipe, if I'm not mistaken, you can get it buy it from NPC Masimo. And then after that, you just need to complete the ingredients in here. You need the common prawn that you can fish it at the its sea, and then you need tomato that you can get it from the gardening hobby, and then glasswort you can get it from the new map they call the Whalefall Canyon map. And then you need wheat that you can get from the gardening hobby too. And then after you complete all the ingredients, just tap on confirm. But in here, because I run out of common prawn, I will replace it with my universal ingredients like this. And then next, just tap start cooking. And then just cook your soup. Like this, and just like that, you will successfully cook your tomato seafood soup. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.